So in the previous class we have learned the definition of sets and two forms of sets, that is roster form and set builder form. So and our next topic is types of sets. So it will be discussed in the next classes. For today's topic is basic operations on sets. Okay, we have three types of operations. First one is union, intersection and difference of sets. Okay, so today we are going to learn first two topics, that is union and intersection of sets. So first one, union of sets. So what is meant by union generally? So combining, making two sets together, or joining the two sets together, or combining the two sets together. Okay, so the union of A and B is a set which consists of all the elements of A and B. Okay, so what is the A and B set? It is the combination of set A and also set B. Okay, so here A union, this is the symbol of union, so you can write it as U. So we can also call it as A union B or A cup B. Okay, so this is the A union B. So this is the symbol for union. We can also call it as cup. A cup B. See, A cup B. So A union B is equals to, here if you write in a set builder form, if you write A union B in a set builder form, you can write X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So what does the meaning of this set builder form? Here X is the element which is belongs to A union B. So X will be present in set A and X present in the set B. Okay, so the X element may be belongs to set A or set B. Okay, so that is the A union B. For example, set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equals to 4, 5, 3. So then find A union B. So the last question like this for 1 mark. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, B is equals to 4, 5, 3, then find A union B. Okay, next our answer is solution. So what he has given, write given. So given A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and the set B is equals to, so you can write 3 first, no problem, 3, 4, 5 and you should write union A union B. A union B is equals to, first you write the first set 1, 2, 3 union, next 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first you write this like this, first A set union and B set. So what is the meaning of A union B? Combination of both the sets, right? So combination of both the sets mean by, first you write first A set and you write the next B set. 1, 2, 3 first set, B set is 1, 3, 4, 5, write like this. But here if you observe, 3 is repeating 2 times, right? So in a roster form, if any number is repeating twice or thrice, we will write only once, right? So here 3 numbers repeating 2 times, we have to make it only once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the set of A union B. So this is your answer. Okay. Sometimes they may ask you to draw in a Venn diagram. Okay. So Venn diagram. Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is a diagram which shows the sets on it. Okay. So generally for Venn diagram we will use the closed figures. Okay. So here I am taking circles. So this is a set A and one more set I am taking, this is a set B. Okay. And this is a set A and this is a set B and the whole set. So the combination of set A and set B is a total universal set. This is the symbol mu and you can call it as universal set. Okay, so this is pronunciation is mu and this is the universal set. In a universal set, mean by we can Yet anything and everything. Okay, in this set we have all the numbers, all the alphabets, everything. Okay, not only this 1 2 3 3 4 5, everything, every number, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, real numbers, everything. Universal set mean by everything. Okay, so here set A, this is set B. Okay, so they will ask the question A, set A is equal to 1 2 3, set B is equal to 3 4 5, represent it in a Venn diagram. Okay, we have to show A union B value in the Venn diagram. See, what is the set A? 1 2 3. So write first 1 and 2. Next, what is the B set? 4 and 5. See, in the set A we have the element 3. In the set B also we have the element 3. See, 3 is in common in both the set A and B. So here this is the region which is common for A and B, both the sets. So that's why I am writing 3 number in between these two. Okay, so 3 is belongs to set A as well as set B. So that's why I am writing 3 number in the sets of A and B. Okay, so generally we will represent like this. A union B is nothing but okay, this is a shaded region, and your final answer is A union B is equals to this shaded region. Okay, so once again, if they ask you to find only A union B value, this is the procedure. First you write set A and set B and A union B set 1 2 3 union 3 4 5. So first you write the first set values and you write the next set elements. After that, if any number is repeating twice or thrice, no need to write 2 times or 3 times. Just repeat it only once. Okay, so A union B is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. This is a general representation. Sometimes they may ask you to draw in Venn diagram, represent the value of A and B on a Venn diagram. So at that case, we will use closed figures. Not only circles, we can take any figure that should be a closed figure. So here I am taking circle. Okay. So set A is the first circle, set B is the here second circle, and these two sets are belongs to universal set. That's why I have represented with a rectangular box. Okay. So this is the symbol of mu, and we can pronounce it as a mu. This is a symbol of universal set. Universal set mean by everything will be present in the set. Everything, every digit, every number, all the alphabets. Okay. See, first set I am writing. Set A contains 1 2 3 elements. So I am writing only 1 2. Set B contains 3 4 5. I have written 4 5 only. So 3 is belongs to both the sets A and B. Okay. So that's why I have written in the combination of set A and set B. Okay. Next. Next, second topic is intersection of sets. So generally the intersection meaning is what? Common elements. So the intersection of sets A and B is the set of common elements of A and B. Okay. So A intersection B set is nothing but the common elements of set A and B. Okay. See A. So this is the symbol of intersection. Okay. This is the inverted U. Okay, inverted or reverse U. So A intersection, so right here, intersection symbol. A intersection B is equals to, if we write in a set builder form, X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. See, in the union we have written X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B in the case of union of sets. But in the combination of intersection of sets, okay, we have written X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means what? The element X belongs to set A as well as set B. Okay. This element X belongs to only set A and set B. So for example, if you take, if A is equals to set 1 2 3 and B is equals to 3, 4, 5 and 2. Then find A intersection B. Okay, if the set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, B is equals to 3, 4, 5, 2, then find A intersection B. So in the solution, first write given. So what is given? A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and the set B is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the two sets and they are asking us to find A intersection B. So A intersection B is equals to, write 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 1, first you write first set 1, 2, 3, comma, then write second set 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if you observe here, we have written in a roster form. In the roster form, the elements should not be repeated. But here 2 number and 3 number repeated twice, no? So write only once. So 1, 2, 3, sorry. So here we are doing the operation A intersection B. In A intersection B, what we have to do? We have to choose common elements which are present in A and B. We have to identify. See, here 2 numbers repeating and 3 numbers repeating. So only these 2 elements are repeating. These 2 elements are common. So that's why our answer is 2, 3 only. Okay. So A intersection B is equals to 2, 3. The elements which are present in set A and set B. We are taking common elements from the set A and B. So A intersection B is equals to 2, 3. Okay. So if they ask you to draw Venn diagram, okay, Venn diagram. So take the set A, that is something circle, and set B. Okay, and both the sets are included in the universal set, that is mu. Okay, so in the set A, what are the elements present? 1, 2, 3. In the B set, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the elements 2, 3 are present in the combination of two sets here. So write 2, 3. Okay, so what is your answer? A intersection B, only this shaded region. Okay, no the A set, no the set of B. Okay, only the combination of A and B. So this is the shaded region is nothing but A intersection B. So A intersection B is equals to shaded region. Okay, so that's why I have written this 2 and 3 elements is the in this place. Okay, because 2 number and 3 number 3, these 2 elements only repeating twice. Okay, so that's why A intersection B is equals to 2, 3. So this is general representation. This is the representation in Venn diagram. Okay, so I hope you have understood well. I'll give you 2 questions as your homework. Okay, do it and send to me.